Too much sweeting. It's so sweet. Oh, too much hot. Too much sleeping, too much sweeting. Tama. Sa mama. My goodness. Ay, my goodness. Sweeting man yung baby namon. Patag na yung kalabot ni mami. Much sweeting man ikaw. So much sweeting man taon. Ay na. Sisit na ikaw. Is it hot? Still hot, huh? Saan man na? Sweeting man ang bulan. Yan ako. Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Sweeting man ang kalangling. Ang kalangling ni mami. Ang sweeting. Ang baby. Shoo. Oh, shoo. Mama. Love ka din, mami. Remove na ang jacket. Kay morning naman. Good morning, Balanga. Good morning sa palanglang ni mami. Diyan naman na, mami God. Mommy, wake up you early. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Past 25 minutes. Let me remove this one because you are sweating, anak. You are sweating. Let me change you. Sweating na ka na. Oh, sobra. Your arms, your back. Ooh. This is smiling man ang dalaga namin. So smiling man gatan. Sando, okay? Sando, ikaw na kay gasweeting mong kanak. Early morning. Nablab ni mami. Asa na smiling mo na kanot? Asa mo na nga smiling mo ng kanot, not? Nag-smile siya, guys. Tanawa. Tanawa ni bataan ni. Hello, guys. I am sweating this morning. Smiling ako, guys. Smiling ako kay mami. Bihira natin siya kasi nag-sweating man ang bata. Come on. Excuse muna si mami, ha? Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, anak. Mami. Aray. You need to wake up naman na kay morning naman. Mag-shower ka later. Among baby. Sampay ra nato ni kay para nato may suoton sa gabi. Yes, anak. Yes, anak ko. Side. Sasag na. Do not mag-scratch, ha? Kay wala pa ka nag-cut sa imong nails. in your ears. Hi, hi, pretty little baby, Bunaki, pretty little baby. Oh, no, baby. Oh, sis is smiling kasi sa mama. Good morning. Good morning. Unta man ang sweeting man ang anak ba? Check ka din ang baby namin. Oh, pretty little baby. A pretty little baby. Oh, Superman. Wonder Woman. Chloe. Hello, guys. Here, oh. Honey, look at the camera. Hello, guys. My name is Chloe. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Padidiin na natin ang ating princess. Ikaw? Princess? Sweetie mo na. Don't scratch your face. Do not scratch your face and then you're crying. You're crying. Hmm? Kalimot patagpamungos ng atong nawong atong aray ko Diyos ko Lord. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. Still hot? My neck is hot. Ay, init pa pala, Diyos ko Lord. Sorry na. Buti na lang hindi na dinidi. Pretty little baby. Ano na baby? Pretty little baby. Do not scratch your face. I'm telling you, do not scratch your face. Ano na bagay sa baby na? Stretch ka muna. Mag-stretch na muna aming baby Ben. Pretty little baby. Gabi na akong tambok. I'm so in love with you. Now is that the time? Ito na akong kilikili. Pero bentahan na niya akong kilikili karon. Lamdag-lamdag na gamay. Okay. Na. Pero atong taba na naghan. Now it's not the time. Ang kati-kati. Ang cute si palangga. Ang cute si palangga. Ang cute si palangga. Ang sama niya. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hoy. What is that sound? What is that sound? Naku. Hello guys. Welcome to our vlog. Oh guys, thank you pala sa mga until now nagsuporta sa mga video namin. Ako. Yeah, I received question pala dyan sa my comment if this is my daughter. Yes, she's my daughter. Daughter Chloe. Yes guys, and thank you to all my supporters and always supporting me here. Hi. Thank you guys. Sana i-support nyo pa rin kami sa mga susunod namin na mga vlog. Take care everyone. Ay, pakunti-kunti na lang yung yung post ko. Kasi nag-aalaga ako ng anak ko, guys. My daughter is my priority. Daughter Chloe. Thank you guys. Thank you to all. And to my members also out there, thank you so much. And don't forget to support each others, guys. Take care. See you on my next video upload. Bye. Say bye-bye, anak. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.